Hi, I'm Jason, and in this video I'm going to cover some of our best practices when installing and using our soap and foam dispensers. Let's talk about installation. When installing the soap dispenser, make sure to leave 150 millimeters between two units that are being installed, and for wall-mounted units, make sure you leave 300 millimeters between the sensor and the basin. Minimize the distance between the pump and the dispenser by trimming the tubing and using the pipe cutter that we provided. It is very important that there are no loops in the tubing to minimize air bubbles and backflow. Always leave slack in the tubing so that they do not pull at the connections, and make sure that the connections are secured firmly. Let's talk about choosing a soap. One of the great advantages of a soap dispenser is that you can choose your own soap. There are several things to consider when choosing your soap. The pH should be between 5.5 and 8.5. If you have a liquid soap dispenser, make sure that the viscosity of your soap is between 100 and 3,800 centipoise. The recommended viscosity for a foam soap is between 0 and 100 centipoise. Always check the dispenser type to see whether it is foam or liquid before refilling, as the soap types are not interchangeable. Even if the dispenser operates with a soap of an incorrect viscosity, it still may ruin the pump in the long term. Let's talk about choosing your dosage. You may be wondering why we offer a remote control. The remote control allows you to customize the settings to meet your specific needs. The soap and water remote allows for you to adjust the soap dosage. When it comes to adjusting the foamability of your foam soap, you can use these buttons to adjust the amount of air foam being compressed or the amount of soap being dispensed. On a final note, always use non-abrasive materials when cleaning the dispensers.